Hey everybody, this is Ed Terranova. I want to welcome you to this video here. If you've been following what's happening online, I joined Wake Up Now about 3 months ago, and things are just going extraordinarily well. Let me bring you up to speed on what's happening with the company. On October 1st, we just introduced and launched the Hub 3.0. A lot of people say it's a game changer. I say it's an industry changer. By the time this video is over, I think you might agree with me, and hopefully you do. Here's what's going on right now, guys. The Hub 3.0 is a whole new platform where we inverted our marketplace. I'll explain to you what that means in a second. You'll even get to see some of the company footage on it. But here's what's going on. To review where we've been at. In 2013, Wake Up Now has been growing. The sales have been increasing by an average of over 60% month over month over month. We are starting to become the buzz. People are starting to hear about us. They're wondering why, what's happening here. Wake Up Now is on a crusade. It's actually a mission to go out there and correct an injustice. It's to go out there and help people save, manage, and make money. From the time we were young, my daughters were in college and they were getting credit card after credit card coming to them. The banking institution wants to lock you up for life. They want you to start borrowing money right away. They want you to start spending money that you don't have and going into debt because they make billions off the American population who get into debt, and we spend our entire adult lives working, trying to pay off our debts. We're out there to correct that injustice. And here's what we have. We have the ability to help people save, manage, and make money with our product offering. Now, our product offering for our Platinum package is $100 a month. You become an independent business owner with the Platinum package, it's $100 a month. So a lot of people want to know, well, is it worth it? What's the value in the product? And here's what I want you to know. If you could just picture, if there was an ATM in your town, imagine if there was an ATM and you could go to it once a month. And every month you could put a $100 bill in and it'll spit out $300, $400, $500 every month. Would you ever miss a month? Never, right? I mean, would you do it? Of course you would. If that was true, you would do it. That's what we have here with Wake Up Now. See, we have a financial management software. And if you come in and you buy the product and you don't use the product, shame on you. The product is designed to help you save, manage, and make money. Our financial software for the average person that has credit card debt, maybe they have student loans, maybe they have car debt, maybe they have mortgage debt. Let's just take the average person that's in debt for about $200,000. The financial management software, without you paying an extra dollar into it, will help you get out of debt, reduce your interest payments by tens of thousands of dollars, and get you out of debt in a third or half the time. Would that be worth it? When you look at our TaxBot product, if there was a way you could get government subsidies and each and every year you were able to get money back, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $10,000, $12,000 for the government, would you at least want to know how? And if it was real, would you do it? That's the TaxBot program. I'm not going to go into the details of the product. How about a travel club? How many people have bought a timeshare? How many people have gone to a timeshare presentation? My wife and I own a timeshare down in Orlando. It's beautiful, 2-bedroom villa, gorgeous. They sell for $20,000 to $30,000. Plus, you have to pay an $800 annual maintenance fee. What if you could get access to tens of thousands of properties all over the world and save 70 to 80%? That's what we have in our travel club. You see, when you look at Finance, TaxBot, Vacation Club in our marketplace, you could easily save thousands upon tens of thousands of dollars. So I ask you the question, $100 in, $300, $400, $500 out? No brainer, right? You would do it all day long. That's what our product does. But here's what we just announced. We announced Hub 3.0. And when it comes down to spending $100 to have a product offering where right now you're not spending that money, I want you to think about a few things that we've gone through in our history. If you're my age, you can understand this. Some of you might not have been born just yet, but back in the 1980s, it used to be free to watch TV. Right? I mean, we used to have ABC, CBS, NBC. We had these rabbit ear antenna things, right? We had these antennas on our television. Everything we watched was free. And then they started coming out with cable TV. And people had to make a buying decision. Am I going to spend money to watch TV? I want to tell you, I was old school. I resisted it. I was like, no way I'm paying to watch TV. And then what happened was the sports teams that I followed were no longer on free TV. They were on cable, so we switched over. So did you, right? You got cable TV right now. You see, when you start figuring that out, you're paying $50, $100, $150 a month for something that otherwise was free in the past. You're locked into it for life, right? How about cell phones? Do you remember back in the 80s when if you had a cell phone, it was the size of a brick? It was an assault weapon, right? I mean, you saw those things. They were huge. Well, I was in business in 1991. I went to Hong Kong, and back then in the States, we had this cell phone that was the size of a brick. In Hong Kong, I'm sitting at a restaurant, and phones are ringing at every table. They had these little flip phones. Now they're smartphones. You have a cell phone right now, right? You had to make a buying decision when phones were wired to your wall in your house and you had a home phone bill. Now you had to make a decision, am I going to get a cell phone? And just about everybody has them, right? How about Costco, Sam's Club, BJ's, right? First time my wife came home and she said, Ed, we're going to join this store, but you got to pay money to go shop in the store. I thought she was nuts. I said, no way. I'm not paying money so I can go shop in somebody's store. That's ridiculous, right? No, my wife was right as usual. She says, no, Ed, several of my friends joined. They have a buying concept where they bulk buy. They got great products at great prices. We've been loyal customers to Costco now for years. When you think about Costco, how many people belong to Costco? Over 50 million. Maybe it's BJ's, maybe it's Sam's Club, but there's over 40 million people in each of those. Collectively, there's over 100 million people that belong to those. Well, when it comes down to what I'm about to share with you, the Hub 3.0, you're hearing about it first. What if you could have heard about Facebook, right? 10 years ago, what if you heard about Facebook? You know what? You would have not known what you're talking about because there was no Facebook 10 years ago, right? Facebook is now so large that if it was a country, it would be the third largest country in the world because over 1 billion people belong to Facebook. If you don't know demographics, if you don't know numbers, the United States has about 350 million people here, right? India and China have over 1 billion people. Facebook has over 1 billion people. How is that possible? I mean, how could Facebook have 1 billion people join? Here's why. They have a product that has value in it. People use it. They like it. And it's free. See, what I'm about to share with you that we released just a couple of days ago on October 1st is the Hub 3.0. If you internalize this and you get this, you're going to lose sleep. You're going to be like me. You're going to be jumping out of your skin. You're going to be like, man, this is incredible. Are you kidding me? We could go out there and develop customers. See, what you're looking at, guys, is you're looking at the beginning of the Costco of network marketing. See, we're going to be able to incorporate any product offering we want, anything that's hot. The company has come out with a polling site for our reps. Anything that's hot, we can bring to market at a fraction of the cost. I mean, think about what happened, when Tahitian Noni became real hot. Costco knocked it off at half the price. You know what happened when the Sideberry juice became real hot through a network marketing company? Costco knocked it off at half the price. Anything that's really of value can be knocked off at half the price. Here's the reason why. In network marketing, most companies build their comp plan in their company around a product offering, whether it's nutritional supplements or skincare or coffee, right? They go out and they find a really unique product, a special product that people would want, that the products are great, but they got to fund the comp plan with them. So whenever a company marks up a product that's skincare, nutrition, coffee, it's got a 500, 600% markup. They mark it up 5-6 times cost. So if it costs them $5 to produce that bottle, they go out and they market it to the group at $30 a bottle, right? Sounds familiar, right? So they take that $25 markup and then they split that with the field. They pay half of it to commissions. The company keeps half of it, and that's how they've been growing. Well, what Wake Up Now is all about is helping people save money. You want a good energy product? You want a good skincare product? You want a good coffee product? We're going to bring you products that are equal to or better than the other products out there in the marketplace, and we're going to bring it out like Costco at half the price. The only difference is we're going to be able to make money on it. See, when you take a look at our new Awaken energy drink, when you take a look at our new skincare line, when you look at what's coming out by the end of the year, our Awaken coffee product, it has Ganoderma blend, it has the Chinese mushroom in it, but it's coming out at half the price of what other companies sell it for. And we're able to bring it to market because in network marketing, when you build a company, you build a distribution channel. And our goal as a company is always to fall underneath this umbrella. It helps people save money. Everything we do is going to be saving you money. And when you get that, here's what's going to make it explode and go viral like Facebook. See, right now we have a marketplace. It's one of the main products we have. We have our finance, we have our TaxSpot, we have our vacation club, we have our marketplace. And oh, by the way, when you think about it, we could build a company around a finance product. We could build a company around TaxSpot. We could build a whole company around a vacation club. We could build a whole company around a marketplace. It's all wrapped into that $100. Now with the marketplace, here's what happens. You could start making money with people who are looking for great deals. But guess what? Your friends, your family, your associates, they don't have to join. They could just be a customer of yours, a free customer. We inverted the marketplace. Up until this point in time, all the great deals in the marketplace, the Gucci belts that sell for $300 in the stores, that sell in the marketplace for $150. Flat screen TVs that sell for $100. The Dell, flat tablets that sell for $129 that we have. There's so many great deals. Here's what the company did. Out of the 2,000 plus stores, out of the Best Buys, the Targets, the stores that you're familiar with that are in our marketplace, the company went looking to see how many deals are just absolutely screaming deals. I mean, great deals that anybody would want to hear about. So there's over 3 million products in our marketplace. It's pretty extensive. Well, how about if the company went out there and searched the entire marketplace for you and your customers, looking for hot deals, looking for screaming deals, looking for deals where you're saving 60, 70, 80% off the regular price? Would that be of value to you? Would your friends want to know about it? Of course. See, if you see that Gucci belt and you're hot on it, I mean, think about it. Here's what's about to happen. Facebook is the venue we're using to bring this out to marketplace. Part of it is social media. When you look at Facebook and you think the average Facebook person has 300 friends. So imagine if you see that Gucci belt, you see that flat screen TV, you see that tablet, whatever it is you see, every week our company is going to be sending out to your free online preferred customers. You're going to have preferred customers line up for free, and they're going to be getting these great deals, these screaming deals from the company. And when they get the deal and they click on it, they're going to see a button that says not a member yet, join now for free. And they click go, and they're going to become an IBO to be able to market these products that they're getting, they're familiar with, they're getting great deals, and they're going to be able to offer these screaming deals to their friends. And now they could have been removed from you. You might have sent it to a friend who sent it to a friend who sent it to a friend who sent it to a friend. And then that friend goes, wow, I want to share these with others. I want to become a member. They click on it, they become a member, and they're signed up direct to you. I mean, just think about it. The other day I was looking for a headset, right? I have an Apple iPhone, and I was looking for a headset with the mic, and I went to the marketplace, and I know the pricing. I know that in most stores I go to in the mall, they charge about $29 for a headset. I went in the merchandise mall, and I found one for $2.62. That's a screaming deal. People would want that all day long. And when our company starts marketing these screaming deals to your friends, you make the retail profit, and it all comes back to you, and they stay on board and continue to use the product, just like people shop at Costco today, just like people use Facebook today. They're going to be using Wake Up Now screaming deals, telling all their friends about it, and those who want to step up and become independent business owners, they're plugged in. Everybody else we just make retail profit on. Guys, this is going to be huge. My wife's a great shopper. How many of you ladies, love to shop and get a great deal? My wife's favorite stores are TJ Maxx and Marshalls. She'll go to TJ Maxx, Marshalls. She'll come home, and I know her gig, right? She comes and says, Ed, look at this shirt. This was a $50 shirt. Guess how much I paid for it? And she wants to tell me I'm the first person that she's telling about what a great deal she got. And she usually paid like $12, $15 for that shirt. See, whenever you get a great deal, you want to share it with your friends, right? So if you get a great deal from Wake Up Now as a preferred customer or as an independent business owner, what do you want to do? You want to share it with your friends. So now you post it on Facebook. You go, hey, check this out. This is incredible. Look what I just got for this price. And you send it out to you post it and it goes out to 300 friends or how many friends you have. So let's just take the average person with 300 friends. They see your deal that you sent to them, and they look and they go, wow, this is pretty cool, and then they post it, and it goes out to 300 of their friends. And let's just say 10 out of those 300 go, wow, man, this deal's incredible. Check this out, and they post it on their Facebook, and now it goes out to 3,000 friends. And let's say out of those 3,000, only 100 think that it's such a great deal that they want to share it with their friends. Now it goes out to 30,000 people on Facebook. Out of those 30,000, let's just say 1,000 of them look at it and go, wow, man, this deal's incredible. And they post it and it goes out to their friends. Now it's going out to 300,000. And all those links, as an independent business owner with Wake Up Now, track right back to you. And if any one of them buy the product, you make money. If any one of them say, yes, I want to share the product, and they become an IBO, they get linked right back to you. Guys, if you understand what I just said, this thing's about to go viral and fast. Everybody's going to be hearing about Wake Up Now. Everybody's going to be hearing about the Hub 3.0. As a matter of fact, we want you to really get a good feel for it. So we're going to show you a little video here, but here's what I'm going to leave you off with. After this video is over, run to the person that showed you this and say, I want in. Yeah, I want to be part of Facebook before everybody heard about it. Yeah, I want to be part of Google before everybody heard about it. Yeah, I want to be a part of Wake Up Now before the whole world has heard about it. See, what's about to happen is everybody you know is about to hear about Wake Up Now. The only question is, who's going to share it with them, you or somebody else? Folks, God bless. Enjoy the video. Get back to the person who shared this with you, and I look forward to seeing you and telling you what I love to tell everybody. Let's go wake up the world. God bless. Have a great day.
Show you. You're gonna need some shoes. No. That's more like it. How about some cash back? More cash back. Yeah, let's get those. Hey, this is kind of fun. Let's find some more deals. Now that's a sweet deal. Share it. Share that one too. They'll thank you later. Need to go somewhere? Let's continue this on your phone. What is this, 2003? This is the phone you're looking for. Let's knock that down a bit. Better. Now you can shop whenever. Close call. We've got a lot of ground to cover here. Let's rent a car. No, not that car. That's the car. Looking good, hotshot. Time to pay taxes. You've probably been overpaying. Good thing you have TaxBot now. You could pay less. A lot less. With all that cash you saved, how about a vacation? Well, you're not staying there. Closer. Yeah, that's the place. I don't think so. That's more like it. If you're gonna stay here, you might as well learn the language. While you're at it, learn that one too. Impressive. It's all right here in the Hub. Personal financial management software? Got it. Identity theft protection? Got that too. Free deals? Restaurant coupons? Of course we've got that. You get the point? The Hub is better. So live life better. Welcome to the Hub Life.